वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल प्रिपेयर एंड पैम्पर। आज मैं आपके पास एक और रेसिपी लेके आया हूँ जो है होममेड चॉकलेट्स। इट्स अ वेरी इजी एंड क्विक रेसिपी। जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि बहुत से बच्चे अब घर पे जिद करते हैं कि हमें कुछ चॉकलेट्स खानी है और हम घर पे कंफ्यूज होते हैं कि उनको कैसे बनाएं। तो मार्केट से अच्छा आप घर पे इस रेसिपी को ट्राई करिए और एंड तक इस वीडियो को देखना ताकि आपको एक सिंपल और इजी वे में और एक कन्वीनियंट वे में आपको चॉकलेट बनाने की रेसिपी मिल जाए। सो शुरू करते हैं।
Guys, today we are going to make some homemade chocolates. For that, we will be needing a dark chocolate of 100 grams, white chocolate of 100 grams, some crushed peanuts which is around 50 to 60 grams, and 150 ml of Milkmaid and 200 grams of coconut powder. So guys, now we will start making our chocolates. So for that, I have already preheated my one pan which I've already fixed with water. Now I'm gonna place this chocolate over this and we will melt it in a very low flame. So friends, I have told you that I already kept my chocolate in my double boiler, so it is started melting. So we will keep it aside, and in a meanwhile we will start making our mixture for our coconut chocolate. We need 150 grams of Milkmaid and 200 grams of coconut powder and one empty bowl. So first what we have to do, we just simply put our coconut powder into the bowl and then we will add our Milkmaid into it. So we have to mix it well nicely. It will come out a smooth texture. We will add our white chocolate into a bowl and then we will let it melt it. So now as you can see that I have already prepared up the mixture. I have already mixed my coconut powder and Milkmaid into it. So now we will make a different shape of it and we will set it down cool in a refrigerator. So we will make a different shape of it. First we will just make a round ball like this. You can make any size of it, like if you want a big size or a small size, you can make according to yourself. Now I will make a cylindrical shape. Now I have made all of these coconut bounty balls and some cylindrical shape. So I will keep it in the refrigerator for around 15 minutes. Then I will take it out and coat it with chocolates. Guys, now we will start making our coconut bounty. For that I have already melted white chocolate and I have a melted dark chocolate and I have some crushed roasted peanuts. So now we will start making our coconut bounty. We will keep one bounty inside our white chocolate and we coat it nicely like this. We will coat it nicely and then we will drip out excess chocolate from it. And we will keep it in a plate. Then we will do 2-3 more and we will coat it nicely. Make sure whenever you coat these balls or any chocolate, your chocolate should be tempered. It should not be very much hot and not be very much cold. It should be around 28 to 30 degrees Celsius, because it is a state where that chocolate get combined with the mixture. So we need to be sure that our chocolate is around 28 to 30 degrees. Now we will do some dark one, the same procedure. You have to coat it nicely. It's a very simple and easy way. You can, surprise your kids or anyone in your family with this kind of easy way to make chocolates with a very simple ingredients. So guys, as you can see that I've already coated my bonbons chocolate bounty with some chocolate. I will keep it aside for a rest, and I will put some roasted peanut into the dark chocolate and some into the white chocolate. So when you add this and when you eat with this chocolate, it will give you a very crunchy texture from outside. So first you need to mix it well. And the same with the dark chocolate. And then I will put these two cylindricals into a different, one with the white chocolate and another one with the dark chocolate. And the same one, coat it nicely, cover it with all chocolate. Now as you can see, that is already been coated with the peanuts, so it gives you a real crunchy taste. And now here, same with the white chocolate, in white chocolate also. So guys, my chocolates are being ready, but we have to keep it in a refrigerator for like 5 minutes till it gets hard. As you can see, now my chocolate is already been chilled and I kept it out from the refrigerator. So I have the one which I have added with a dark chocolate, and now this one with a peanut, and this one same with white chocolate and peanut. So it looks so yummy. You can keep it in a refrigerator for around like 2 days, and you can surprise anyone in your family with this delights. So guys, if you like my video and you get to know a unique thing, just subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and do comment whatever you want to know about the next video, so I can compile that in my another video and show it to you. Thank you so much.